treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Subaru Impreza. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Subaru paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a rear window wiper, power moonroof, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.